Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Let's dive in. First, open your Binance app to get your wallet address. Click Assets on the bottom right of your screen. Select Add Funds. These four options pop up. Click on Chain Deposit. Then search for USDT. You also need to select your network, then select TRC20. Copy your deposit address. Now open your OKX app. Click on Assets. Next step on Withdraw. These two options pop up. Click on Withdraw Crypto. Now tap on USDT. Click Exchanges. Now select the network. Remember, we choose TRC20. Here, paste the address that you have copied from Binance. Click Next. Here, you could put the amount you'd like. The minimum is 4.1 USDT. Click Next. After putting all these informations, make a simple verification of the address and the network, then click on Confirm. As you can see, the arrival time is about 2 minutes and the network fee is 2.1 USDT. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Aladdin Tricks for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.